Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you a helicopter milling machine. We try to make a sub-assembly for what is the name? A hydraulic steady rest for a vertical machining center for our friends that they work in the aerospace industry. Okay, this is designed with ZW3D software, and this is the rough material. Okay, it needs to be machined for this steady rest. Okay, and what we go to use, okay, it's not the 5-axis machining center, but we go to use a Tongtai 510, a very small machine. This is the base plate, and you listen the helicopter milling machine. Oh man, this is with Siemens control. We use HCAM software for programming, and ZW3D for designing. Alright. So this is the helicopter milling machine. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.